what's up? I'm Savannah. Welcome to my YouTube channel. And in my video today, I'm going to be doing something kind of really fun. I have the Loreal Colorista. It's basically temporary dye. And I got mine in the shade Soft Pink 300. I'm really excited to try this. It lasts 2 to 5 shampoos. I got 2 boxes of it because I kind of have a lot of hair. And so I'm a little nervous 2's maybe not even gonna be enough, but we'll see. I have a handy dandy helper that's going to be appearing in our video soon to do this. She helps me with all my hair things. The only thing is I've opened one box and inside of it comes the dye, so the Soft Pink 300 tube, and instructions. Also, a trillion plastic little gloves, and I don't know why one box came with so many. I'm sure it says why in here, but explain yourself, Loreal. Just get one, like, okay rubber glove that's not gonna rip in 5 seconds, and don't send everyone a million. What? This is weird. This is really weird. Is this weird, Ashton?
Yeah, I have 2 on my hands already.
You do? What a perfect transition for my hairstylist to come back in the picture. This is her. If you haven't seen her in my videos, she's my best friend. And she does what I say, and that's really nice of her. And it also comes with a brush. I forgot to mention. Comes with a brush, and the other side's pokey, so I think you can, like, layer it, which is nice. Me and Ashton play with my hair a lot. Basically, how we don't make my hair fall out of my head is we just have a game plan, and then there's 2 brains and we try and not mess it up. Ashton's our quiet one. I'm the one that talks a lot and Ashton just agrees with what I have to say.
I'm just gonna start, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, so we're just going.
Okay, let's go.
It says don't get on your scalp, but...
It says don't get, okay, wait. Is my scalp gonna be pink, dude?
So, like, there's a possibility, but, like, you have to get your scalp if you want your whole head. Savannah, like, that's just how it has to be.
My stepsister let me use her purple shampoo this weekend, and it was crazy, you guys. I usually use shimmer lights. I'll place a picture of it right here. It does wonders. If you get it, be very careful, because it is very potent.
So, like, we're gonna need another tube of this. Maybe 2 more.
Maybe 2 more? Ashton, do I need to
gone.
send Preston to Target?
Yes. You really do. Like...
A third?
Yeah. Savannah, there's this one.
He just FaceTimed me and I wasn't nice.
Okay, well...
Wait, really? You think we're gonna need a third tube?
Yeah. If you want it all over, I don't want to not have
It's connecting. How is he connecting so fast?
Run,
Preston! Like, literally, please run! Love you. So, you guys, what time did we start this at?
Like, probably 3 minutes ago.
Okay. So, it's been 5 minutes. We've almost used a whole 1 bottle. We're panicking. Run, Preston! So, we sent Preston to the store to get a 3rd bottle. If we keep coming back on and the shower curtain has moved a bit.
Because I keep moving it with my body.
It's really okay.
So you're gonna have some pink hair. I'm sorry for
my hair's
on your channel.
My hair's gonna be neon pink.
Does your boss know you're coming to work with pink hair tomorrow?
Actually, I don't think I told her, but
okay.
I mean, the other girls know that I might have pink hair, but I'm gonna have pink hair.
Well, it says you can leave it on longer if you have darker colored hair, so you just might have super pink hair, which is okay.
This is what's going on so far. So, me and Ash were just talking off camera, and it just made me realize that my dad doesn't know that my hair is gonna be pink until he's watching this video. Hope you like it, Dad. Don't forget to like and subscribe. You guys need to get yourself a really nice friend like Ashton, because you can literally sit in a chair and just mess around and just your hair just does...
Just goes all these magical colors. I promise, like, Savannah is probably the worst hair client because she moves.
I am moving so much. We're getting really pink up in here, you guys. Real pink. My scalp, I can see it. My part is going to be pink, huh?
You're gonna love it.
If you're trying to recreate this,
Buy a lot.
well, I wish they would say something on the box about this is bullcrap. The fact that the box doesn't even say you should take a second one. But I know I have a lot of hair, so I know I need more product, but 3 bottles? Who's 1 bottle?
Yeah.
The people with pixie cuts?
Well, I think it's people that only are doing certain sections of their hair. Because it says apply to just
probably like the bottoms of your
Yeah.
hair blonde or...
Yeah.
Yeah, that would make sense. You have a lot of hair you want to be changing color and you want to do the coloristas. You need a lot of product. And each bottle costs $10. So, for 2 to 5 hair washes, it costs me $30 to have pink hair now.
Worth it? We'll see how it turns out.
We'll see. With the 2 bottles, should we show them the ends of my hair that's left? This is how much hair... If anyone comments and tells me to get a haircut, I'll be upset, okay? Because I know. I've got frizzy hair. I cut my own hair, so back off.
Look down, please.
Actually, Aspen, if you're watching this, I really want your mom to cut my hair, and I'm actually going to have her cut it one night. That's the girl I work with, whose mom's a hairstylist. She told me today at work that her mom was like, just tell her to come over and I'll cut her hair.
Really?
I don't think she liked that I cut my own hair.
How many you need? We need 7 more, Preston. Literally, what a savior. So I would have had to go to the store if that was
I know.
And you would be putting this on yourself.
Yeah.
While I ran to the store.
Well, we probably could have done that. Why didn't we do that?
I don't know.
I mean...
Because you probably wouldn't have known how to do this very good. I'm just being honest.
You know what I'm just realizing? After Ashton's got, like, majority of my head covered, I didn't even read the back of the bottle. Oh, it says leave in for 15 to 30 minutes, dude. So, and here's the thing, you guys. I wanted the more pastel pink, so I was gonna wash it out after 15 minutes, but the ends are gonna be pastel now, and we're just kind of going with it. That's my hair motto, is just go with it.
Yep.
Always. Okay, this is what we got working with. Can they see? This is 2 bottles.
Yes. We each have that much left, so not very much.
He's here! Oh,
there you
here
go.
comes Ashton running. Thank you.
Oh my goodness.
Do you like my hair?
You're really pink. What's the difference between this one and the one you just put in the shower?
The one I just put in the shower is like that rose gold, much lighter color, and then this is like a dye, but it's semi-permanent, so it'll wash out in 2 to 5 washes.
2 to 5 washes?
Yeah.
That's a lot of dye for
that quick, huh?
Yeah, what?
See, L'Oreal, even Preston agrees it's kind of whack.
Savannah,
2 to 5 washes? That's
Yeah.
like...
stop moving, please.
So you can't wash your hair?
crunching into the wall over
sorry,
here.
Ash, come here.
You basically don't wash your hair.
Yeah. Keep the
I'm just
hair.
like, I'm probably gonna, like, after I wash it once, I'll just have that hair for probably a week.
So my hair is gonna look crazy. Like, look at how, like, just look.
At least we're having fun. Should I go wash my hair now? The next time you see me, I'm going to have styled pink hair. Dun, 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 dun. Let's see what this looks like, you guys. Surprise! This is what I look like. I don't know if you're really that surprised. It definitely washed out quite a bit. So this made me remember back to a moment when I had purple hair for basically a weekend because I washed it as much as possible all weekend to get the purple out. It was not my favorite color. If I can find a picture, I'll insert it here. Oh my gosh, you guys, Ashton just found a picture of me with my purple hair. Let me show you. This is making the story even better. So the only other time I had purple hair, I was at McDonald's in California, and I don't know if you can see it, but you can tell the buns, lots of different colors. And we really got that good, huh? So it's just my hair picks up different colors differently. I don't know, I'm blonde, so I have never really dealt with color on my hair before, but my hair bleaches very easily. So it could be our application, could be my hair. I'm not really sure, but I really like it. I think it's very cute, actually. Miss Ashton, shout out to her for this beautiful. She also curled it for me. She's literally my hairstylist. I don't know how she does this witchcraft, but it's always, literally every time flawless, beautiful. I didn't put any oil in it yet after I styled it, I'm realizing. But it looks pretty shiny. Look, the magical fairy Ashton always comes out. Also, she probably watched my empties video because this was in there. If you guys want to watch that, plug here. This is definitely something, this hair color, you can do at home, but make sure you have enough and coat all your hair really good. Make sure you are okay with having color in your hair. It's a lot darker than I was anticipating it being, but it's also a lot more colors than I was expecting it to be too. So I don't know, maybe it's a win for me. I'm excited to have it. We'll see how long it lasts. But I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Thank you for joining me today. I post every Wednesday and Sunday, so if you like this type of make sure to subscribe, and I will see you on Sunday. Bye guys!